Hi, I'm Steve at the Carmichael Workshop. Today I'm going to make a wooden Union Jack flag. In a previous video, I showed how to make a wooden American flag, and I'll put up a link to that video in case you missed it. But this time I'm going to make a Union Jack, and it's going to be a little bit different in that a lot of it is going to be cut with a scroll saw. So let's take a look at my plan. I'll put a link in the video description below where you can download these plans from my website in case you want to make a Union Jack too. The overall dimensions are going to be 19.5 by 37 inches, which comes out to 495.3 by 939.8 millimeters. To get started, I'm going to cut the main boards that make up the center cross, and then I'm going to cut out 4 rectangles that fit in the corners. And then I've got additional templates that we can apply to those corner panels and cut out the stripes on the scroll saw. So let's head over to the table saw and cut out the main parts. Alright, I've got all the main parts cut out, so now I just need to attach my cutting templates to the corner panels. Now the stripes in each corner are a little bit different, so you have to pay attention to the labels on the templates. Like this is for the top left, the bottom left, the top right, and the bottom right. And all you have to do is just cut along this line for the corner, and when you stick the template on, you'll want to stick it up in the inside corner of each corner panel. And since the piece of paper is not big enough, you'll have to use a straight edge to extend these lines out further so that you'll have something to cut along. Alright, this is what it should look like after you get each template attached in the inside of each corner panel, and also after you've extended the lines with a straight edge. Now let's head over to the scroll saw and we're going to cut out the center stripe as well as the 2 triangles out of each corner panel. Okay, now I'm going to remove the paper templates and mark all the pieces on the side so I know where they go. I'm going to use my router to put an 1/8 inch roundover on the top edges of all the pieces. I'm going to use my blowtorch to give it that burnt rustic look. And for the red and blue pieces, I'm going to stain those using True Blue and Scarlet Red Minwax stain. That is custom mix that I got from Lowe's. The router could not get into these sharp corners to do the roundover, so I'm going to sand those by hand. And also I marked where these 2 side pieces intersect the vertical piece, and I did not round over that area there so that when I glue these on, there'll be a smooth transition across. So just keep that in mind. assembling the flag, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next project video. If you have any comments or questions about this project, just leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to click that like button if you like this project. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.